Ilion, a suburban town northwest of central Athens. It is an excellent base for travelers who want to explore both the capital city and the quieter, more local side of Greek life. While Lyon itself is more residential, the surrounding areas offer a variety of comfortable and affordable hotels. Whether you are in town for business, leisure, or just passing through, these top hotel options near Ilion provide value, location, access, and Greek hospitality. The first one is Athens City Hotel. Located around 6 km from Ilion, this modern hotel offers bright rooms with stylish decor and excellent service. It is ideal for solo travelers or couples. The room includes air conditioning, flat screen TV, and comfortable bedding. Rates range from 50 to 70 euros per night with easy access to metro station for travel to Ilion and central Athens. The second one is Oscar Hotel Athens, a popular 3-star hotel near the Larissa railway station about 15 minutes from Ilion. The hotel features a rooftop restaurant with panoramic city views, spacious rooms, and a seasonal swimming pool. Prices range between 75 to 105 euros per night, making it a great mid-range option for families or business travelers. The third one is Sparnan Hotel. Situated near Ammonia Square, this clean and simple hotel offers convenience at a budget price. Just 7 km from Ilion, it features free Wi-Fi, daily housekeeping, and helpful multilingual staff. Double room typically costs 55 to 75 euros per night, and it is close to market and eateries. The fourth one is Minoy Hotel, a quiet option near the Metasurgio metro, perfect for travelers wanting peaceful surroundings with access to the city. Located about 8 km from Ilion, Minoy offers cozy rooms with modern amenities. Nightly rates range from 60 to 80 euros per night. The fifth one is Athens Golden City Hotel. Around 7 km from Ilion, this hotel offers spacious rooms, a buffet breakfast, and a rooftop restaurant. Known for its central location and affordability, rooms are priced between 60 to 85 euros per night, making it a solid choice for tourists. The next one is Alesia Hotel, a boutique hotel near Ammonia metro station with elegant rooms and artistic decor. A short 15-minute drive to Ilion, it is ideal for romantic getaways. Enjoy marble bathrooms and cozy interiors at 65 to 90 euros per night. The next one is Candia Hotel. About 20 minutes from Ilion, the hotel features an outdoor pool, rooftop bar, and elegant rooms. Located close to museums and cultural sites, price start from 80 to 110 euros per night. It is a good option for travelers looking to blend relaxation and sightseeing. The next one is Crystal City Hotel. Located in the heart of Athens, this hotel offers clean, large rooms and exceptional customer service. With metro access nearby and only 8 km from Ilion, price range between 70 to 100 euros per night. The rooftop restaurant is a highlight for guests. The second last is Ariston Hotel. Next to the Larissa station and around 6.5 km from Ilion, this 3-star hotel is perfect for budget travelers. Rooms are neat and functional with breakfast included. Rates typically range from 55 to 75 euros per night. The last one is Athenian Montaza Hotel, a stylish boutique hotel with artistic flair and balcony room just a short drive from Ilion. The atmosphere is trendy and laid back, perfect for younger couples or creative travelers. Price vary between 70 euros to 100 euros per night. Here are some tips for booking hotels near Ilion, Greece. Book early during summer months, especially around June to August, to secure better rates. Use metro proximity as a guide. Hotels near stations like Larissa or Omonia offer easy access to Ilion. Check for parking options if you are renting a car, as some center hotels have limited space. Read recent guest reviews to verify cleanliness, Wi-Fi speed, and service quality. Look for rooftop dining option for a memorable evening with Athens view. For longer stays, ask about discount or weekly rates. Ilion may not have luxury resorts, but the hotel nearby offer a warm welcome, good service, and affordable comfort. Whether you prefer a boutique vibe, a budget stay, or a family-friendly amenities, these top hotel picks near Ilion will keep you well rested for your Greek adventures.